You're top of the clock. Down here back at Old Sac. They got the front side finished yesterday. We're jumping to the back. The back side's not as long of a run, but it's a lot more detail on the back side. So imagine it'll take us a couple days to get the back side all shingled in. Railroad, working on the railroad today. Before Poppy started roofing, he worked for the railroad. That's when he did a side job with his brother, seen that there was some money in roofing, and he quit the railroad and he opened his roofing company. Here we are, 53 years later, man. Rocking. Leaves already falling on the roof. Season's changing in fall. Summer's coming to an end, man. So it's a good little project they wanted to squeeze in before the winter came. They had a lot of leaks on this building that were getting into these restaurants and stuff. So fresh new roof's gonna keep the building safe and dry, man. We only got a few more days out here and we'll be on to the next. Cuz got another single ply roof, flat roof they're doing downtown. Picked up another shingle project over off of Broadway. A couple hundred squares over there. I think it's about a 4-layer roof on the existing substrate. So it's gonna be a nasty fucking tear off. You know, coming into the fourth quarter too, we're gonna be, you know, worried about weather tearing off a roof at that time of year. So probably be cutting it off in sections, get them dried in, just move through the season like that, man. But you know, roofing, it's seasonal, but I gotta keep my core guys busy all year round. So we're gonna keep peeling off on a couple more re-roof projects. Destin just picked up a good job last week, about a $500,000 contract for a 1,000 square roof overlay. They're gonna go with single ply, so it'll be a cover board over the existing built-up roof and a single ply on the top. You know, so you know, just like that. You know, last week we were kind of stressed, trying to figure out what we were gonna get into for the fourth quarter, and we knuckled up in the office and we popped off maybe you know, about $750,000 worth of work for the fourth quarter. So also once the weather hits, they'll turn over new opportunities. You know, people get rain leaks in their building, and that's when the phones start ringing for emergency style repairs. And then you know, allow them to budget to get the new roof replaced for the next season. So that's what the fuck we do, man. Professional roofing, major league roofing, man. That's what we do. You use double starter. You cut the first piece in half, 20 inches, then you run a full piece. The second piece, it has a perforated line 2 inches down from the top. You peel that back and you cut the first piece 2 inches back. That's gonna help hide the seams going down, because the first course of your prezzies is gonna have open laps at the bottom. That's where the double starter comes into play to keep it covered. Get Ethan to run the first couple courses of the starter, make sure it's straight going all the way down, and that's what's going to keep your shingles going straight all the way up. So you want to fly it over about a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch over the edge on your gables and on your eaves. For me to shoot by the time I get here, man. It's fucking major league roofing. Fucking seasoned veterans in this game, man. Oh, Mikey. God damn it, Mike. Step your game up. About 4 nails per. Got your perforated line right here. Just fucking peel it back. The colored side goes down. Mikey's got my shingles ready for me. This a pulley. That's your cut. So 3 tab, the bottom, right? You see it's wavy. So how do you find the straight mark? I always shoot for the low point. The low points on the tabs seem to be the most consistent, so run your first course off of that. Shooting 5 nails of shingle. First couple courses is the most tricky working the edge. Once you get something to work, kind of stand on, it gets a little bit better. It. You run your books in 4 steps of shingles rather than your regular architecture shingles. You just run a book all the way up, keep your 5/5/16 pattern, something like that, right? Yeah. 5/5/8. I'm dyslexic, so my numbers get off a little bit. Like my son touching. Where's Ethan? Hey, hurry up a minute. So, you know, fuck the office. I'd rather be outside on the job with these guys, you know, laying out some shingles. Got a nice open fucking run right here, Old Sac, good view. This is what it's all about, man. Really enjoying what the fuck we do. I lay shingles for fun, you know. This is what, give me some open field to go blow through. It's the funnest shit. You know, I'll get up in this tedious little detail as well, but either way. Putting on a roof that's gonna last, you know, 30, 40 years at least, bro. I think it's a 50-year shingle for these Prezzies. You know, they call them lifetime shingles, but whose fucking lifetime they basing it on? I don't really know. They selling dreams with that shit. I don't try to sell extended warranties on shingle. You know, average you're gonna get 20, 30 years. They make a 50-year shingle now, so that's long enough. You know, 50 years, that'll give my son time to get back around and tear this shit off and do it again. So yeah. Oh, there he is. What's up, brother? What up? Waiting on you. Senko matches white cement 3s too. First rule of roofing, if you fall off the roof, you're fired before you hit the ground.